Students, especially the students who have been such a patient listener and you have waited a long time here. So let us start with Jai Hind.
जय हिंद।
ऊपर वाले भी बोलेंगे, ठीक है? Jai Hind.
जय हिंद।
Great. So now I have tested everyone is awake and I have understood that you are patriotic. Is it so?
Yes.
Great, great. So today we will discuss the things that I have faced in my life and then how I tried to overcome them, not through my journey. It's very boring to listen to one person's journey. It's more interesting to understand the lessons. So first, I faced self-doubt during my college years and my school days. How many of you faced that? Raise your hands if you have ever faced that. Self-doubt? Faced it?
Yes.
सच बोलो बेटा, इतना तो बोल सकते हो सच. Have you faced self-doubt?
Yes.
Okay. And limiting mindset? How many of you think that you want to do great things but you can't? Because you are lazy, non-disciplined. Is it so? Raise your hands. How many of you feel that you are non-disciplined? You don't have the discipline to be that great. Move around. देखो कितने लोग हैं आसपास. Another thing that we faced is, or I specifically faced at that time, is not understanding what I wanted. And many of the twists and turns in my career was because something incited my interest and then I worked towards it. So how many of you already know what you want to do in life? अरे पता होगा ना क्या करना है कॉलेज में हो? नहीं पता? How many of you know it? Raise your hands. Very few. क्यों भाई? बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? टॉक सुन रहे हैं? Okay. So let us understand. First, I'm also doing my MBA and the first lesson it teaches us is 4 questions we should all ask before we start our journey. First is what? What we want to do. Whatever is your goal, understanding. Supposedly you want to become an AI expert. Some of you may be wanting to become painters. Some of you may be wanting to become startup entrepreneurs. Some civil servants, some teachers, or n number of things you can become. But at least you must understand what you want to become. नहीं तो कैसा होता है? It's like a journey. You don't know where you want to go. First train, supposedly you want to go to Chennai. First train is of Patna. You sit. Then from Patna somebody says go to Gujarat. Easier. You go there. Will you ever reach your destination? So at least we must first understand what is our destination. Second thing is how. How means by what process you will reach there. Third, when. How many of you have started working towards your dream? How many? Very few. Why? बाकियों को सपने भी आने बंद हो गए क्या? सपने आते हैं बड़े बड़े. हाथ तो तुम्हारे उतने भी नहीं उठ रहे. When? ASAP. Because most of the times people keep on preparing for their careers in their mind, never in real life. Like how many of you are preparing for civil services?
No.
Of you have. Most of you must be preparing mentally. तैयारी हो रही है, किताबें खरीदेंगे, किताबें ले ली, किताबें रखी हैं. But इन सबसे तो कुछ नहीं होता until and unless you start reading. How many of you want to become entrepreneurs? Great. Have you started learning about business? Have you started selling something, buying something, branding something? If you have, that's good. Because until and unless you are starting early on in your careers about whatever you want to do, what will happen? You waste your important years here and then after college, अब क्या करें? Pressure है, क्या करें? You have to show your self-worth and then you start making hasty decisions. Let's do this, let's do that. But after few years, 10 years, have you heard about regretful words? मेरा ये नहीं हुआ, मुझे ये करना था, मुझे सिविल सर्वेंट बनना था या मुझे एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना था, लेकिन फिर उस वक्त ऐसा हुआ कि ऐसी सिचुएशन हो गई थी, ऐसा हो गया था. The thing is majorly all those regretful words that we say majorly start because we don't start preparing for our life at the right time. We have to prepare. When I say prepare, it doesn't mean you skip all the fun and activities. Of course, enjoy your life, but at the same time, study. अब enjoyment का मतलब ये नहीं है कि कैंटीन में बैठ गए पूरा पूरा दिन और बैठे हुए हैं. ऐसा होता है कैंटीन में बैठे हुए पूरा पूरा दिन? नहीं यार, इतने सीधे बच्चे हो, इतने सीधे बच्चे कैंटीन ही नहीं जाते.
एलपी में ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Very good. And lastly, so the questions are what, how, when, and most importantly, why. So supposedly, whatever you are becoming, why are you becoming so? What is your motivation? Is it the dream of your parents or is it the dream of your own? Or is it the dream of your relatives? Acha, how many of you are preparing for the dream of your relatives? Raise your hand. अब तुम लोग सच ही नहीं बोलना चाहते. रिलेटिव्स के लिए कौन कौन प्रिपेयर कर रहा है? रिलेटिव्स के लिए जो बोल रहे हैं ना वो सबसे पहले कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड समटाइम्स आवर ड्रीम्स आर बोरोड. Because parents want us to do something, because relatives want us to do something, we start doing that particular thing, not even realizing this is not what we wanted to be. This is not what we enjoy. So, what are the 4 questions today you will ask yourself? I know all of you are very smart people. You watch a lot of phone content, Instagram, YouTube. You already know things, lot of things. Yet, these 4 questions everyone should ask. Everyone, whatever you want to do. Now, when you come to some courses, colleges, there is one more thing, the self-doubt and self-limiting beliefs. How many of you feel if you would have been in IIT, it would have been better? दुखती नस पर अगर हाथ रख दिया क्या ऐसा? अच्छा ठीक है, फिर ढंग से हाथ उठाओ. IIT हो जाता तो बेहतर हो जाता. अरे जो ये तुम्हें जान नहीं है कि खाना नहीं खा कर आए क्या?
लंच टाइम में बुला लिए.
प्रॉपर हाथ उठाओ, ये कोई हाथ नहीं होता. हाँ, वेरी गुड.
अभी कुरकुरे पिला है.
वहां पे भी जाते तो भी कुछ नहीं होता, क्योंकि वो वाले बच्चे भी वो सोच रहे हैं कि अरे IIT तिरुपति में हो गया, IIT गुवाहाटी में हो गया, बॉम्बे में हो जाता तो
अच्छा हो गया.
बॉम्बे वाला बच्चा क्या सोच रहा है?
दिल्ली
सिविल में मिल गया. CSC हो जाता तो
अच्छा हो गया.
CSC वाला क्या कह रहा है? अरे यार CSC के अंदर मेरा CGPA इतना आया, अगर वो हो जाता, और जिसका CGPA भी अच्छा है वो कह रहा है अरे लेकिन वो जो LPU का बच्चा है ना उसका नेटवर्क अच्छा है, अगर वो नेट पर मिल जाता तो शायद और यू अंडरस्टैंड sometimes it's about the circle you don't know and most of the people are living in self doubt most of them even in IITs or any colleges they are living as if grass is always greener on the other side they are all thinking others are better and you know how it starts there is a story once a person who takes care of elephants you know he went to a place वो एक बाड़े में गया वहां उसने 3-4 हाथी बांध दिए 3-4 elephants were tied there and the rope that was tied across the neck of elephant was very thin so this visitor who went there he asked why this elephant can't break out of this thin rope any day these elephants can break it any day then why is it that these elephants are tied with these ropes so Mahat says the Mahabhat जिसे कहते हैं he says that when these elephants were young we have tied them with this rope and as young babies they could not break it and after some times they learned that this rope cannot be broken and with this they have learned not to break it not to try to even break it there is a fear and now they can break it but they still don't try because they have learned it and now tell me how many of you are learned lazy learned self-sabotage how many of you have learned to self-sabotage yourself raise your hands if you have learned that अरे पहला स्टेप तो यही है ना फर्स्ट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई Raise your hands if you have learned to self-sabotage. देखो यहाँ पे भी तुम लोग हिम्मत नहीं कर पा रहे हो तुम्हें हाथ उठाने की आगे वालों में पीछे वाले तो उठा रहे हैं एकदम बढ़िया आगे वाले तो हाथ उठाने की भी हिम्मत नहीं कर पा रहे They have learned not to come in a limelight. They have learned not to answer honestly. This is what needs to be broken. I'm not concerned, but do you become? That's fine. But at least you should become the best version of your own self. At least try. And if you're not trying, maybe this is a learned behavior. Like Pavlov's psychological experiment. We know what happens. What is Pavlov's psychological experiment? So a dog can be trained. कि बेल बजेगी खाना आएगा बेल बजेगी खाना आएगा तो अगली बार बेल बजती है डॉग स्टार्ट सैलिवेटिंग सो बेसिकली आवर बॉडी रिस्पॉन्सेज आर लर्न्ड सो नाउ यू हैव लर्न्ड दैट व्हेन द अपॉर्चुनिटी विल कम यू विल शाई अवे व्हेन थिंग्स विल डिमांड करेज you will cow down you will not make your hands come up you will not stand up because you shy away you feel like I don't deserve. If I stand up, I will be coming in the limelight. Then what will happen? People will make fun out of, my standing up. But actually, what is it happening? It is compliance. This is another psychological effect, which is known as crowd compliance. You have become part of the crowd. Just crowd. No self-identity. People will go right, you will go right. मैं तो वैसे लेफ्ट करा था, है ना? People will go whichever direction, you will go that direction. Because you have lost, many of you have lost, not all, but many of you have actually lost what? Your self-identity and self-personality. तो सबसे important क्या है? First to remove that self-doubt. Now tell me, how many of you really want to do something good and great in your life? You want to do? Do you trust you will be able to do it? ये कौन सा yes है? Do you trust you will be able to do it?
Yes.
Are you ready for the hard work?
Yes.
Are you ready for the sacrifice?
Yes.
देखो अपने आप आवाज कम होगी है ना? मलाई सबको चाहिए, दूध किसी को नहीं उबालना. Everybody wants desires, nobody wants to deserve. Let us do it again. Are you ready for the sacrifice?
Yes, ma'am.
Bigger the dream, bigger the...
Sacrifice.
अरे बोलो तो सही. Bigger the dream,
Bigger the
bigger the
sacrifice.
sacrifice. अगर सैक्रिफाइस करने की क्षमता नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे?
कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे.
कोई बात नहीं, छोटा टीम बनाओ, खुश भी रह सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. वी हैव ऑल द काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल लिविंग हैप्पीली इन दिस वर्ल्ड, फाइन. बट देन यू शुड नॉट रिग्रेट. You should be surely understanding your own self. There are people who leave everything, go to a village, they are living there in peaceful life, they are happy with whatever they have no intention of being in the limelight or being, having that race of achievement. If you are one of those, good. But then, if somebody is achieving, don't regret. ये तो मैं भी कर लेता, ये तो मैं करने ही वाला था. बस मुझ में अगर मैं पढ़ लेता तो, या पढ़ लेती तो बस I was there. I could have cleared this exam. I would have become the best entrepreneur. I would have done this. No. Either don't regret, else understand who you are, what you want, and decide to do the sacrifice it wants. So we should be ready. So the first thing, self-doubt. If you doubt yourself, how can anybody trust you? So first, you have to work on that. Start believing in yourself. And I'll tell you why. There was another experiment whereby there were two groups of people. One were told that there is no possibility of solving a puzzle, whereas other group was told there is a easy way to solve this problem. You just have to apply your brain. You know what happened? The people who were told that it is solvable actually solved it, and the people who were told it is impossible, most of them did not even try. Those who tried felt that it cannot be that easy because it is impossible. They complexed it. उसने और complex बना दिया उसे. यानी कि the things you believe start manifesting. This is known as self-fulfilling prophecy. What is self-fulfilling prophecy? Whatever you start believing, that starts to happen. You believe you are lazy, indisciplined, not up to the mark. You could not clear one exam, IIT, JEE, NEET. That's why, you can't do other great things. Absolute myth. But if you start believing it, it will start culminating. So at least believe the right things. So, first, you dream for greatness? Bolo yes.
Yes.
Ready for sacrifice?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, nothing is required. Me talking, anybody else talking, motivation, all of this is momentary, and this may not be required. Because if you understand that you want something and you can, you will, if you are ready for the sacrifice, you will do it. जब भूख लगती है तो कोई इंतजार करता है क्या? जब भूख लगती है तो क्या करते हो? हाँ, बनाना भी तो पड़ता. अभी तो तुम्हें हॉस्टल में नहीं बनाना पड़ता. लेकिन अगर भूख लगेगी तो क्या करोगे? अगर तुम्हारे पास आटा रखा है और बना लोगे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे भूख लगेगी तो बनाओगे ना खाना?
Yes, ma'am.
तब इंतजार थोड़े ना करोगे. But now it matters if you are hungry enough for anything in life, whatever you want. It's not about just one profession. It is about excelling in who you are, the best version of your own self. So how many of you are speakers?
No.
I don't like this. What is this? How many of you are passionate? बाकियों में पैशन भी नहीं है. मर गए हो क्या? क्या? अच्छा, how many of you are dead?
इसने हाथ उठा दिया
It's a serious question. It's not a funny question. Let's do it again. How many of you are dead? Again, how many of you are dead? Achha, how many of you are alive? Okay, fine. Now this is initiative. If you do it, only then you are alive. If you just sit there like a table, you are dead. So at least, this is what I want to say last, be alive. Choose whatever, but do something. Bye bye. Thank you.